Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Yesterday we have studied about Venn diagrams. Students, in Venn diagram, a universal set is represented by a rectangle, just like that. We should use a scale to draw a rectangle. And the other set are represented by simple closed figure inside the circle. Let's say simple closed figure would be a circle. So we will write here U for universal set and A. Suppose we are taking a set A and this is a closed figure. These closed figures shown an overlapping region to describe the relationship between them. For example, we are taking the union between two sets. Here A is a subset of B. Then we will write A union B, and graphically we will draw it like this. This is a universal set U. Then we will draw a set B and here A. When all the elements of set A are also the element of set B, then A union B will be drawn as like this, and this shaded portion, and we will shade all the portion of B and A. This shaded portion is called A union B. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब A के तमाम एलिमेंट B में भी मौजूद होते हैं तब हम इस तरह से बनाते हैं. Okay, now we clear the concept of intersection of two sets by using Venn diagram. In the given figure, the shaded portion represents the intersection of two sets. When A is a subset of B, all the elements of A are also present in B, then we will represent the shaded area represent that A intersection B. Okay ji, now in overlapping set, some of the elements of A are also present in B, but not all the elements. So only those elements which are overlapping means that present in A and also in B are represented in this shaded area. And students, when A and B are disjoint set, when no element is common, then we will represent A intersection B by this. Means कोई भी एलिमेंट जब इसमें कॉमन ही नहीं होगा तो आंसर इसका नल या 5 सेट आएगा, जिसका मतलब ये है कि कोई सा भी पोर्शन इसमें शेड नहीं किया जाएगा. In difference of set, when A is a subset of B, then we will draw it as this. Here all the elements of A are also present in the element of B, so except this portion we will shade all the B part. यानी कि A के सारे एलिमेंट जब B के अंदर मौजूद होंगे तो उन एलिमेंट्स को छोड़कर बाकी जितने एलिमेंट B में बच जाएंगे वो सारा हमारे पास डिफरेंस में आ जाएगा. इसी तरह जब हम बात करेंगे B इज़ अ सबसेट ऑफ A, तो यहाँ पर हम B लिख देंगे और यहाँ पर हम A लिख देंगे. When A and B are overlapping set, for example we have A 1 2 3, B is 3 4 5, and when we will take the difference between A minus B, then the 3 will be cancelled because it is present in both, and only 1 and 2 are the answer because these are the remaining element of set A. So when we will draw the Venn diagram of the set A minus B, then we will shade only the portion of A. Today we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise number 1.5. The question is, if we have a universal set start from 1 2 3 and end on 10, and a set A with elements 1 4 8 9 10 and a set B with element 2 3 4 7 and 10, then show that A minus B is not equals to B minus A with the help of a Venn diagram. First of all, we are going to solve left hand side in the form of tabular, and then from the result of tabular form we will draw the Venn diagrams. In A minus B we can clearly see that that only the same element are cancelled and the remaining element of set A are the answer. For example, here 4 is the same, so 4 is not written in the answer, and 10 is also the common element between A and B, so 10 is also is not in the answer. So when we will draw the Venn diagram of left hand side, we will just draw a rectangular box which shows that this is the universal set, and then we will draw a circle where all the elements of A are present, and a circle where all the element of B are present, and these two circles are overlapping to each other. 4 and 10 are the common, that is why it is present in the region of overlapping, and 1, 8 and 9 are the answers of left hand side, that is why this is the shaded area. And in right hand side we can clearly see that we have to solve B minus A, that is why the element of that is why the set of B is written first, and the common element that are 4 and 10 cancel from both sides, and the remaining element of B are 2, 3 and 7. That is why when we draw the Venn diagram of right hand side, we shade the area of B where 2, 3 and 7 are present, not this area, because 4 and 10 are also in A, which we cancelled earlier. वो वाले एलिमेंट्स जो दोनों सेट में मौजूद हैं उनको कैंसिल कर दिया, और जो बाकी रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट हैं वो सारे साइड पर हमने लिख लिए हैं, और आंसर क्योंकि 189 आ रहा है इस वजह से हमने शेड भी 189 वाला किया। इसी तरह राइट हैंड साइड में हमारे पास आंसर 237 आ रहा है, तो 237 हमने बी वाले पोर्शन में लिखा और इसी को हमने शेड कर दिया है। Now come to the second part where we have to prove A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. In intersection we know only the common element are the answers. Here 4 and 10 are common element in left hand side, as well as 4 and 10 are the common element in right hand side. Yesterday we have studied about the Venn diagram of intersections. Now we will only shade the middle region of A intersection B, because this region where 4 and 10 are present is the only region that is common. Same case with right hand side, 4 and 10 are the common. So via Venn diagram it is proved that A intersection B is equals to B intersection A. Okay students, now we have the third part where we have to prove A union B equals to B union A. In left hand side we write the set of A with sign of U and the set of B. In union we know that all the elements of A and all the element of B are written, but only once. For example, here 10 is present in A and also in B, but we write 10 only once. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Also in right hand side we have the same element. So when we draw the Venn diagram of A union B and B union A, we will shade all the portion of A and all the portion of B, because while solving the question we can clearly see that not even a single element is left behind. That is why when we draw the Venn diagram we shade each and every portion of both the circles. Okay, come to the question number 4, in which we have to prove that A complement is not equals to B complement. A complement means we have to differentiate between U and A. So write the set of U and then set of A, and we know that in difference we will cancel the same element. So when we cancel the same element, the remaining elements in left hand side are 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. And when we solve the right hand side, where we have to solve B intersection, that is we are going to differentiate between U and B. So we will cancel the same element that are present in U universal set and B, and the remaining elements are 1, 5, 6, 8 and 9. While drawing a Venn diagram of left hand side, we will draw a rectangle which shows that that this is the universal set, and a circle inside a rectangle which shows a set A, and except this circle we will shade all the portion, because ऊपर हम लोगों ने ए के तमाम एलिमेंट्स को कैंसिल कर दिया था, इस वजह से यहाँ पर हमने सिर्फ यू के जो रिमेनिंग पोर्शन है उसको शेड किया है। यहाँ पर भी हमने बी वाला सारे बी इसमें से भी कैंसिल कर दिया था, इसमें से भी कैंसिल कर दिया था, इस वजह से बी के पोर्शन को शेड नहीं किया, बल्कि यू के सारे पोर्शन को शेड कर दिया है। जो यहाँ से हमें साफ नज़र आ रहा है कि यहाँ पर ए है और यहाँ पर बी है, तो ये तो सेम हो ही नहीं सकते। Hence prove that A intersection not equals to B intersection. Your exercise is completed and even your chapter is completed. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start review exercise. Till then, Allah Hafiz.